Cramp rolls, also known as crab rolls, due to the game of crabs where they roll the dice and our feet are making that rolling sound of the dice. But you'll notice mostly these are called cramp rolls. There are many different beats you can make with these. The most common are 4 and 5. Today I will show you 4, 5 and 6. So this is basically doing ball, ball, heel, heel. When your right foot goes down first, it would then be the first heel you will use. So each foot does something in turn, right, left, left. So ball on the right, ball on the left, heel on the right, heel on the left. It's important for this that you make relaxed knees when you do your ball, because you're actually going to slightly spring onto that ball. Ball, ball, heel, heel. And again, do you see how the feet are actually going apart a piece as well? Ball, ball, heel. That's 4. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me do it the other way round for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ball, ball, heel, heel. Ball, heel, heel. And you can make a really nice quick sound doing this. Can you hear that nice quick rolly sound? This is a good step for you to practice fast sounds. 4 sounds. This is one of my favourite steps in tap because it's so simple but it sounds really good. Of course you can start with the left, so it would be left ball, left heel, right heel. Slowly. Ball, ball, heel, heel. Remember, do a very slight spring onto the first foot. As you get better at it, you'll find you don't see the spring so much, but you're not stepping onto it, you are jumping onto it. Okay, so that's 4 beat, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a nice step to put in dances or routines. Gives you a little breather and time to think of the next steps, but it sounds good. So 5, instead of the first spring onto this ball, it's a tap spring. Tap, spring, ball, heel, heel. So we make 2 sounds with this right foot. First, tap, spring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See if you can do it quicker, then you can even say the numbers. Again. Make sure you can clearly hear 5 distinct sounds. And with the left foot, tap, spring, ball, heel, heel. So 5. And from the other direction, left foot. And 6 beat cramp roll. Tap, spring, tap, step, heel, heel. Tap, spring on the right, tap, step on the left, heel on the right, heel on the left. Tap, spring, tap, step, heel, heel. Right foot. Tap, spring, tap, step, heel, heel. Starting with the left foot, tap, spring, tap, step, heel, heel. Remember, if we start on the left, the heel has to come on the left first. Tap, spring, tap, step, heel, heel. So a bit faster. You want to hear 6 clear sounds. Right foot first. And now with the left foot. And with the left foot. And with the left foot. Make them very strong sounds, particularly the heels. A lot of people don't bang those heels down nicely. Left foot. Left foot. Well done. So my favourite one is actually 4s or 5s. You don't see 6 very commonly used, mostly 4s, but occasionally 5s. So 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 6, 5, 4. So get practicing those, see how quickly you can change. It's actually quite hard sometimes to go into 5 from one of the other ones. So they are cramp rolls, but you will sometimes know those crab rolls, which is where the original name came from, but I don't see that used anymore. Let me know if you hear of them used as crab rolls, because that is their original name. I think the cramp was misheard, and perhaps also because of bending, they're suggesting you're going to get cramp. Who knows? Let me know your thoughts on it. Obviously for me, crab rolls is what I like to think of them as, but I do teach them as crab rolls, as this is in syllabuses. Let me know which you prefer, 4 beat, 5 beat or 6. Until next time, bye bye.